Hello, Pifam.
Hello, Ifam.
Today we are playing this one with our number blocks.
Where are we right now?
We are inside. Kuchon, and I love games too much. Whoa, so quickly.
So, nandito kami ngayon sa loob ng Novotel Hotel dito sa Christchurch. So, nag-rest lang kami. Kararating lang namin. Galing kami ng Dunedin. And, yeah, yun lang. Itutur namin kayo dito sa loob ng hotel. Tignan natin kung next time kung kayo naman mabiyahe, kung magugustuhan nyo yung lugar. Let's go! Nandito kami sa loob ng hotel namin. Ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung itsura nito, ha? Para ma-access mo yung mga ilaw, kailangan mong ilagay itong card. And then, pagpasok mo, ganito pala yung style ng hotel nila dito. Look, may hugasan ng kamay. Pero, ito yung kanilang bathroom at saka yung dumihan, shower and toilet. So, ito yung kanilang toilet. It's nice. And, ito naman yung shower. Look. Everything is here. So, it's good. Alam mo na, tinatawag ng kalikasan, nandito. Tapos, kung may gustong maligo, magkahiwalay lang sila. Ito naman yung kama. Yun. Yan na si Gif. Baby Gif, say hi. Hello. So, kararating nga lang namin, magkapahinga lang kami, and then lalabas kami. Look, this is my wife. Nagpapahinga lang kami. Yung flight namin ng 6 o'clock, so kaya kinailangan naming mag-check-in dito. Kasi, kaysa naman maghintay kami sa loob ng airport for almost, how many hours?
12 o'clock.
Like 15 hours? No? Kasi sobrang tagal, tapos may baby pa kaming kasama. So, kaya nag-check-in kami dito. Walking distance lang, 2 minutes lang, nandiyan ka na sa airport. At saka hindi na mahihirapan. So, kailangan namin sa airport ng mga alas 4 ng madaling araw para i-drop yung aming luggage. So, yan, may TV. And then, ito, merong ganyan, pang coffee, pang tea. Tapos may pa water. And then meron ding fridge na isang ang laman, isang milk. Lalagyanan ng gamit. And then mga cabinet. Ito yung normally na makikita mo kapag ikaw nag-check-in. So, yan, may pillow, extra pillow. Meron tayong plancha, hair blower, and everything. Tissue. Yan. Ito lang naman ang makikita mo. Tapos bolt kung gusto mong itago yung passport mo, yung pera mo. Di ba? Ang ganda ng Pina-simplify na. Na ba? Kasi maliit lang yung kwarto. So parang ang ganda ng setup niya, di ba? Look. Parang gusto ko ganyan din yung kwarto ko. Tapos kung makikita nyo, meron ditong charger, lagyanan sa gitna.
Maraming
diba?
saksakan.
Apakadaming saksakan. Saksakan lang ang marami. Tapos, kung gusto nyo namang makita yung labas, I'll show you. Ito ang labas ng
Dito ka mag-umpisa.
Kita mo, ayan. Yan mismo yung airport. So, bababa lang kami dito, tapos, yun na. Diba? Very close to the airport. Nag-check-in kami dito, ang price nito is 185 New Zealand dollars. Pero normally, kapag i-check mo yung pinaka-regular price niya, mga $240. Kasi very close to the, to the airport. Hindi ka na mahihirapan. Parang gusto ko ganito ang magiging kisame ko, no? Huh? Look. Ganyan lang, tapos may ilaw doon. Tapos dalawang kortina. Isang ganito. Isang ganyan. Yeah?
Over there. Oh my goodness. I know na mine.
Which one?
The Countdown is there. The McDonald's is there.
saw.
What? I saw the sign?
No, I saw all the cars. They were here, far away. Far away. I saw that car far away.
So, mamaya doon kami pupunta sa lugar na yon. Merong ano doon
Yeah, kasi ko baho.
May KFC doon. Ang problema kasi dito, yung KFC dito, walang rice. Puro tinapay lang. Tapos manok. So, this is Christchurch, New Zealand. Look at that mountain. We've been there before.
Close to his
Yeah, we've been there. So, ngayon, it's winter here. It's cloudy. Pero sa Dunedin, sa lugar kung saan kami nanggaling, it's very sunny. It's a nice weather. Pero kanina, nung nandun kami sa taas ng eroplano, apaka-sunny. Ito lang talagang nabablock lang siya ng cloud. Yeah? So, tingnan natin kung gaano kalambot yung kama nila. Oh, wow! Yummy! It's nice.
No cars.
Yun. So, dito lang. Dito lang tayo. Stay lang kami dito para matulog and then alam mo na, tomorrow flight na namin. See you Philippines. We're going outside.
We're going to get some food and then we come back here.
Yeah.
First we should go to the elevator.
So here we go. Look at that. It's a nice place. It's a nice place to stay. And look. Wow, beautiful. We use this one. This way, baby. So guys, we are going inside the airport and look for food. Medyo malayo. We use this way. Ito, dito. But you can use this way, going to Countdown, McDonald's, KFC. But for now, because we're looking for rice, we will use this way. We will get inside the airport.
Airport?
Yeah,
Yes.
we're walking right now. And how is it, baby?
I'm going to go.
No, not yet. We will just look for food. Are you not hungry?
I am not hungry.
But I am hungry.
I'm hungry.
Yeah?
I'm hungry. What a fountain. No, what a bar. Yeah, what a yuck. Upstairs. There's new one.
It's so cold in here. Diyan kami naka-stay sa Novotel. And it's very close to the airport. Look at that. Hey baby, are you happy and excited?
Yes, Dad. Place to be.
Ang baba naman ng salamin mo, parang matanda.
To be.
Huh?
Hello, happy fun.
Yeah?
We can do everything. And we can do. Ba. Ni.
Yeah, nasa loob kami ng airport. I think there's a lot of food here.
This elevator, guys. It's so creepy and it's spooky. And there's a lot of monsters. And we should quick go in.
So, pumunta na kami sa food court. This is Christchurch Airport. And then we're looking for food. So, nandito kami sa Burger King. We're trying to get him food. A cheeseburger.
Oh, cheeseburger and chicken nuggets.
Yes, Mom is grabbing that for you. Ito ang food namin ni Mine. Chicken katsu curry at saka tonkatsu ramen. This one is from Sushi Platter, Christchurch Airport. And kakain na kami. Kasi gift, kumakain siya ng burger from Burger King.
Yuck.
And then si Mine kakain din siya. Look at that. Yummy? There you go. See you next time. Pabalik na kami sa hotel. Yan. Kapahinga na kami. maaga pa yung flight namin tomorrow. And we're going inside the hotel. Let's go. Press baby. Oh, here. Let's get in.
Super fine.
Number 3. We're here. Let's go. This is Novotel Hotel. Yeah. We're going to our room. That one.
So dark and spooky. And it look like this.